Hey guys, welcome back to Self-Sufficient Mama. I am back. I was in YouTube jail for a week. They deleted several of my videos and had to give me some warnings. I will be more careful now and follow their protocols in correlation with WHO as much as possible. I have some good news to share with you guys. I have some updated information and some new protocols. There's the IMASS protocol, Irecover protocol, and a new protocol for long haulers. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys a 61-page document that will take you through everything you need to know about every situation and treatment for the COV word 19, and I'll be sharing that with you guys right now. This is where you can find this document I'm about to share with you, right here on COVID-19criticalcare.com under help pages, facts on the use of ivermectin in COVID-19. Where can I find the link to Irecover protocol, the protocol that could be used to help treat long COVID? All right, so we're going to go over here. Here is the 61-page document I'm sharing with you guys. I will also share this in the link under my description. I'm going to share with you guys the IMASS protocol, which is brand new from the flccc, along with the Irecover protocol and the long haulers protocol. The overview, the math, and the IMASS protocols have been in use for them for a while. I'm not going to go over those. They're also included in this article if you would like to look them up. All right, so I'm going to go down to page 13. That's where you're going to find the updated, brand new IMASS protocol. Bear with me if this is annoying to you guys scrolling through all this. As you can see here, the IMASS and the math protocol that they have been using for a while. Let's get down to page 13. IMASS right here tells you everything you need. Tells you all the vitamins, melatonin, zinc, everything you need. They even have some nice pictures here for you. All right, page 13, IMASS. Now, the IMASS protocol is a prevention and at-home treatment for mass distribution. It's their protocol for the COVID-19. And it is a protocol that they developed for mass distribution during a regional outbreak or in poor countries to lessen the impact and the spread of COVID-19. Here is their prevention protocol for IMASS. They want you to do this dose. I'm not going to say these words out loud. I don't want my video to get taken down. You could read them here. Here is their early at-home treatment protocol, post-exposure and prevention protocol. This is some really good information. I get a lot of questions on interactions with the ivermectin, drug interactions right here. You could click on the link and it tells you all interactions, serious and minor. Monitor closely. These are the medications that you might have some reactions with. IMASS early treatment protocol. That's been in there for a while. We are going to go to page 30 where you can find the information and treatment for the long haulers, also known as long COVID. That is for people who have had COVID and still have symptoms after months to even a year and up. You will find that information on page 30. This document is so long, I don't want to go over every single page with you guys, and that is why I'm just scrolling through it. They even have for lung transplantation, hospital discharge information. Here we go. Page 30, the long haul COVID syndrome, post-COVID syndrome. This will explain to you what it is. It tells you some of the symptoms and the treatment approach here. You can read this for yourself. I'm not going to go over all of this with you guys. I don't want to say it out loud and then I have issues with my video. Page 32 is their iRecover protocol, the treatment for the long haul COVID syndrome. First line treatment, this is what they want you to do. Please click on this document. It will answer all of your questions you have. It tells you what medicines to take, what vitamins, minerals, melatonin, everything you need, vitamin C, your second line approach. If the first one does not work for you, this is what you can do in that case. Patients and healthcare providers are referred to the following website. You can click on these links and get all the information you guys need. Maintaining mental health and avoiding the misinformation pandemic. This is on here also because of what's been going on with the censoring and deletion of videos and information when it comes to what we're trying to spread and share with everyone out there. I am not the only one who's been having problems. The flccc has been highly targeted as well as the Dark Horse podcast. We're just trying to save as many people as we can. And again, you could find this on their website. I will post all the links below. I hope you guys share this video, and I'm glad to be back on and sharing information with you guys. If you can, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will be doing more updates on this topic, but I will not be voicing as much information as I was before because I don't want to get kicked completely off. I want to thank you guys for all your support. I wish you to stay healthy and well, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you guys for watching.